In this video lesson, our target is to show you how to apply the two formulas, one for sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, as you can see on your screen in the left side, and the second formula is the product of the roots of quadratic equation. Take note, you can do it, you can do this manually and use the formula. So here's what I mean. The first idea, where does this formula come from? Basically, if you already memorized the quadratic formula, therefore, you can actually solve to get this x sub 1 plus x sub 2 equals negative b over 2 over a. And in your right side of the screen, you can see here the derivation of this formula, the sum of the two quadratic formulas, and you can get this negative b over a. To show this in action, we can differentiate the two kinds of ways or two methods. First, in the left side is the factoring method, can be manual addition of the roots. So the example here is the same with the other side, but the way and how to get the sum is different. X squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 0. As you can see, we factor this quadratic equation into x plus 2 times x plus 5. And if you do certain application of algebra, you can get x sub 1 equals negative 2, which is the idea here, the zero product rule. And x sub 2 equals negative 5 also. And these roots, the negative 2 and negative 5, if you add this, you can get negative 7. Okay? This is factoring method or manual addition of the roots. But if you want to use the other method, and this is the purpose of this video lesson, you have heard of the application of the formula negative b over a. And first things first, you need to know which is a, which is b, and which is c. So in the right side, this is the sum formula of the roots of the quadratic equation. You can see here, a here is 1, b is 7, and the 10 is our constant. And if you use the negative b over a, we need to substitute everything, the 7 and the 1, and we've got negative 7. Basically, you can really see that we have the same answer, but the way we answer it is different. Okay, that's for the sum. And let's have the product. In the product, the same process in derivation. We have to multiply the two roots using the two formulas. One formula actually, but we have to use it twice. And if we multiply both formula of quadratic formula, then we can get this kind of number, c all over a. So that's the derivation part. To use this in action, you can still use the manual multiplication and still can get positive 10. And basically, the use of formula is very easy and simple and straightforward, since we need to use only the quadratic equation, the standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And with this, the same process, the only difference is we can use the another formula c over a, and there is the answer. Here's the answer. And the process is different, but the method in doing it is different also. But the answer is the same. I hope you can differentiate and you understand the idea behind this sum and product of the roots. Okay. Basically, you just need to find the roots and sum it or add it. And the product is just to multiply the roots.